So 6 years ago, we were in a different electric car driving around Anaheim, and now we're back together again. The band's back together, and we're driving our way to the CAR conference this year.
And you know what, Scott? So much has changed in 6 years. You don't drive a clown car anymore.
It's true.
You know, it was a clown car. It was a clown car.
Yeah. What's beautiful about life is some things never change. For one, still have my luxurious hair. And two, real estate still is the same. Nothing has changed.
Well, I'm glad you still have hair. Me, not so much, but I do agree that it's good that real estate has been pretty constant and hasn't changed much.
Are you too crazy?
No.
Like, seriously
What?
crazy?
No.
Have you not been reading your emails from CAR? After the commission lawsuit settlement, everything has changed.
Well, one thing I kind of remember is I think Schmiede was in the car with us the last time.
Last I heard about Schmiede was real estate wasn't going very well and he was barely hanging on by his chubby little fingers.
Look, you guys, there he is, right over there, holding a sign.
What?
Well, those chubby little fingers of his? How's he even do that?
Pick 'em up!
What?
Well, I mean, get in. At least you know the acronyms.
There it is.
Welcome aboard.
Hey,
Put those fingers up for everyone to see.
Why do I have to do that?
No reason.
I had a really, really tough transaction. They made me throw in my car in order to get the deal.
What?
Wow.
Yep.
That is
Wow.
It's rough out
commitment.
there.
That is commitment
Wow.
to a deal.
It is rough out there.
Well, that was a rough deal. Anybody else have any rough deal stories they want to share?
I had a buyer recently that wanted the house blessed before they moved in the property.
Yeah.
Do you know how to get a house blessed?
I've had some haunted houses, so I have some experience with that, yes.
I did an exorcism once.
Yeah, I fully disclose. There is.
What did you say?
I think I can top you guys. You know, I don't want to do that, be that guy that tries to top people, but I closed a deal recently in Anaheim. It was one of our rentals, so it was in pretty rough shape, 20 or 30 offers, and we accepted one that was all cash, quick escrow. And so unfortunately, escrow delayed by a week or two because the seller was out of country. A few days before it was a close, I went there to go check on the property, and it was down to the studs. Fireplace gone, appliances gone, flooring gone. The agent had decided to give the keys to the buyer, and the buyer decided to get a jump on the remodel.
That's an easy Article 1 violation. Like, you have a responsibility to treat all parties honestly, not just the buyer.
But if he's flipping, he just wanted to get a jump start.
Well, that's good logic, Ray, but it's against the code of ethics.
Yeah.
Right. That's a clear violation of Article 1.
So you're telling me you've never started a remodel on a house before you bought it?
Okay. So not just Article 1, but also Article 3. Because she has to cooperate with the other realtor. So by not even calling Scott and asking him if her buyer could have access early and letting the buyer go in and out of the property.
The agent could have asked for the seller's permission in writing. This is a clear violation of Article 9. All things need to be in writing, all agreements.
But we have a standard of practice and competence.
Hey Siri,
and
make a
the
note.
actions of this
Don't
realtor
give
makes
out keys
all
to buyers
realtors
before
look
close of escrow.
bad.
And what really galls me is that agent did not, or the broker, show up at the hearing, and that's a violation of Article 14. And even if you do something wrong, you should show up, throw yourself on the mercy of the court, and maybe they'll show some leniency. But if you don't show up, nothing good's going to happen.
Well, I think you guys all made me hungry, and I think we're just about there. Let's jump out, grab our badges, and get checked in.